Hello, this is Michael Halter, Field Applications Engineer of Avago Technologies, and today I'm going to introduce you to a new family of PCI Express switches, the PEX9700 Series. Avago Technologies is the leader in the PCI Express switching market because of our innovative products. Back in 2004, PLX introduced the first 2.5 GHz Gen 1 PCI Express switches. In 2008, PLX added the 5 GHz capable Gen 2 switches, and in 2011, the 8 GHz capable Gen 3 switches. Now that PLX is part of Avago Technologies, we're bringing you even more innovative products with our brand new PCI Express Gen 3 switch family. PCI Express has been evolving from the connectivity standard inside a server into the technology that facilitates lower latency and higher throughput communications throughout a rack of servers. To drive this evolution, Avago has created the PEX9700 series of switches, adding a variety of features enabling host-to-host communication and sharing of robustly connected endpoints among the various hosts within the system. The PEX9797 can connect to as many as 23 endpoints, allowing for a great deal of PCI Express connectivity without the need to cascade switches or add additional ports into the system. In addition, switch ports can be configured to be as wide as 16 lanes, giving nearly 16 gigabytes per second of bandwidth on each link. You can use the PEX9700 series switches to create a converged PCI Express fabric to connect multiple hosts and endpoints. Avago's tunneled window connections allow up to 24 hosts to be connected to one another through a single PCI Express switch. Messages can be passed between the hosts with extremely low latency. In addition, the on-chip NIC mode DMA engines available to every host enable large amounts of data to be efficiently passed among the host systems. The PEX9700 switches have clock isolation capabilities, allowing each host to operate within an independent clock domain. The switch bridges these clock domains even when hosts use spread spectrum clocking, and the switch supports the SRIS spec for separate reference clocks with independent SSC, so its ports can link to any other SRIS compliant chip without passing the clock, even if it's spread spectrum. This can dramatically simplify the cabling architecture of multi-host systems. The PEX9700 switches have been architected to support PCI Express hot plug on all downstream ports. This is very important for modern storage systems using NVMe drives, allowing users to safely remove or insert while the system is up and running. The new switch series also supports downstream port containment, which can isolate rogue or misbehaving endpoints, which helps prevent them from bringing down the system. These endpoints can be shared among multiple hosts, allowing developers to make better use of system resources and lowering system costs. Using the Avago-provided management software, developers can enable multifunction endpoints to be used by more than one host connected to the switch. Using off-the-shelf vendor-supplied drivers for any of these endpoints is fully supported. No driver modification is required. This I/O sharing capability of the PCIe switch is also completely transparent to any of the hosts. The PEX9700 series of switches dramatically expands the interconnect capabilities of PCI Express. They're available today from Avago Technologies, so be sure to contact your local Avago representative for more information. And stay tuned for more videos in which we will take a deeper exploration into some of the features of the PEX9700 series.